Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to block Temu ads on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to block Temu ads on your phone, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And before you proceed, guys, you need to know a thing that is either you want to turn off the notifications from the Temu app or all of the advertisements from the Temu app. So in order to do both, in order to just turn off the notification after landing on this interface of the Temu app, at the bottom of the screen, guys, you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen and you land over here, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings option at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here, where you can see the notifications options. You can see all of the notifications provided to you from the Temu app. You can turn off these notifications particularly by tapping on the edit button of each option. At the bottom right corner there is the edit button for each of these options, guys. Tap on edit and you will be able to turn it off, just like mine. You can see, guys, I have turned off all the promotions on the Temu app and some of the other updates like SMS and some of the chat messages over here. If you want to just turn off the notifications, you can go particularly from over here to in order to disable some notifications. But if you want to disable all of the notifications from Temu app, then after landing on this page where we have tapped on the notification, tap on the permissions button over here and you land over here, where you can see at the top of the screen there it says the notification, and when you read the text on the notification at the bottom, you can see there is the go to settings option on the orange text. Tap on the go to settings on the orange text and you land over here, where again you'll be required to tap on manage notification, and from over here tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the allow notifications over here, and when it is turned off, no notifications to Temu will be shown to you. And that being said, guys, these were the process to turn off the notifications from Temu. Now in order to block the Temu ads permanently, go back and open up the settings of your phone, and after opening the settings of your phone, guys, you can see the connection and sharing option available for us. Tap on connection and sharing over here, and over here you can see here it says the private DNS. In order to block the advertisements from Temu, we'll be required to set up a private DNS with the ad guard. So to do that, tap on the private DNS over here, and when this appears, guys, you can see here it says the designated private DNS. Tap on the designated private DNS, and when this interface appears, guys, type in the address dns.adguard.com and tap on the tick mark. And with that being done, guys, you will have set it up a private DNS through which the ads will be guarded or blocked out from your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to block Temu ads on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.